If your Hyundai Palisade keeps dropping Apple CarPlay or won't connect at all, we can fix that in under 2 minutes. Interestingly, over 70% of smartphone connection issues in modern SUVs are traced back to a faulty or non-certified cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to identify if the problem is your phone, the cable, or the Palisade itself. Start by clearing the handshake between the car and phone, then use the pinhole reset button on the dash for a fresh start. Check your iPhone's settings carefully, as CarPlay will automatically disable itself if Siri is turned off or if lock screen access is restricted. Always use an Apple certified cable and ensure you are plugged into the specific data-enabled USB port in the center console. Depending on your Palisade trim, you might be fighting cable physical wear or wireless signal interference from other devices. Most owners find success simply by swapping to a high-quality cable, which resolves 2/3 of all reported connection drops. If the basics fail, you may need to download a firmware update from the My Hyundai portal to patch the infotainment software. Keep these 3 simple tools in your glove box to handle connection drops while you are out on the road. Remember that modern infotainment systems are just computers on wheels. A simple reboot is almost always the best first step. If these steps helped you get back on the map, hit the like button and subscribe for more Palisade troubleshooting guides.